In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install QuickBooks Desktop. Whether you're a business owner, accountant, or just someone looking to manage personal finances with ease, QuickBooks Desktop is a powerful tool to keep your finances organized. Follow along with me, and we'll get you up and running in no time. First things first, let's start by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to Google. Once you're there, type QuickBooks Desktop Download into the search bar. This will bring up various results related to the QuickBooks software that we're looking to install. The second step is to locate the official QuickBooks website where the actual download link is provided. Be cautious here and ensure that you are indeed clicking on the official Intuit QuickBooks site to avoid any third-party downloads that could be harmful. Once you've confirmed you're on the right page, look for the download button that corresponds with your computer system, whether it's a Windows PC or a Mac. After identifying the correct download link for your operating system, click on that link to begin the download of the QuickBooks Desktop app onto your computer. It might take a few minutes, so make sure your internet connection is stable to avoid any interruptions in the process. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file on your computer. It's usually found in your Downloads folder unless you've set it up otherwise. You'll see an executable file if you're using Windows, or a DMG file if you're on a Mac. Double-click or right-click the file and select Open to start the installation process. As the installation begins, follow the on-screen instructions carefully. These instructions will guide you through the setup, including agreeing to the license terms and selecting the installation type. Choose the Express setup for a quick installation, or select Custom if you want more control over the installation details, such as changing the default installation folder. Before concluding, you'll be prompted to enter your QuickBooks license and product numbers. These are crucial for activating QuickBooks, so ensure you have them handy. After entering the details, finalize the installation by clicking Install. Let the installation finish, which might take several moments. After it's complete, you should see the QuickBooks icon on your desktop or Start menu. Congratulations, you've successfully downloaded and installed QuickBooks Desktop. Remember, using QuickBooks can streamline the way you handle financial tasks, from invoicing clients and tracking expenses to generating reports and managing payroll. Exploring its features will allow you to take full advantage of all it offers. Thanks for following along today, and happy bookkeeping.